Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use sticky notes in Windows 10 to stay organized and keep all your important information right on your desktop. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen, which is represented by the Windows icon. Once you've clicked it, type Sticky Notes into the search bar that appears. You should see the Sticky Notes app pop up in the search results. Go ahead and click on it to launch the application. This built-in Windows tool is perfect for keeping quick reminders, notes, and to-do lists visible at all times without cluttering your workspace. Once the app opens, you'll notice a small note window appears on your screen. To create a new note, simply click the plus button located in the upper left corner of the note. This button is your key to adding as many notes as you need to stay organized. Now here's an important tip. Instead of cramming everything into one single note, which can quickly become overwhelming and hard to read, it's much better to create individual notes for different categories or purposes. This way you can keep your desktop clean and your thoughts organized. To add another note, click the plus icon again. A fresh note will appear on your screen and you can drag it to your preferred location. This flexibility lets you arrange your notes however you want, whether you like them neatly aligned or spread across your desktop. Go ahead and repeat this process by adding more notes based on your preferences and how many different categories or reminders you need to track. Some people prefer having just a few notes, while others like to have multiple notes for different aspects of their life or work. Now it's time to actually fill in your notes with useful information. Click inside any sticky note to activate it, and then start entering your content. For example, you might create one note for daily tasks, another for weekly goals, one for reminders about upcoming appointments, and even one for important contacts you need to reach quickly. The beauty of sticky notes is that you can customize each one for exactly what you need, making it easy to glance at your desktop and instantly see what requires your attention. If you want to make your notes more visually appealing and easier to distinguish at a glance, you can change their colors. Click on one of your sticky notes to select it. Then click the three dotted lines icon, which represents the menu. From there, select your preferred color from the preset options available. Different colors can help you categorize your notes. For instance, you might use yellow for daily tasks, blue for work-related items, and green for personal reminders. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and customized sticky notes in Windows 10 to help keep yourself organized and productive. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.